still have the one up from Christmas. That's why I got me hat, okay?
Just like you, I'm trying to take my time and get to know me. I'm just like.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for coming back to hang out with your girl. If you are new here, hey, my name is Drika. Make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button because I'm most definitely who you need in your life. So today is Saturday and I need to do my door sign, y'all. That is on my list for today. That's what I want to get done for today. I still have the one up from Christmas. So yeah, I definitely need to go ahead and get that on out the way. And I also probably want to redo my nails, the color. I think I just want to do all of that color. I'm not sure yet. And then what else I need to do? Oh, and I said I wanted to go to Big Lots, and I should have gotten it last Saturday when I was in there, the fruit stand. I think that's where I seen it. I don't know, y'all, because I went in like 3 or 4 stores just browsing, and I didn't buy nothing. And I think that's where I seen it. So I kind of want to go get that, but it's kind of cool outside. So I don't know about that, but I'm definitely going to go ahead and do my door sign. I already did like the rough draft on how I possibly want the sign to look. So we'll see. I still haven't decided on the color though. But besides all that, I kind of already got an idea. So yeah, that's all that I'm doing pretty much today. It's gonna be a slow day, a very slow day. I'm just happy it's the weekend. You know what I'm saying? I'm happy to not be going into work. I'm thankful and I'm grateful for my job, but I'm glad that I'm glad it's the weekend. I wish the weekend was 3 days instead of 2. But anyway, I know y'all probably feel the same way. But yeah, so I'm glad it's the weekend. It's gonna be a slow weekend for me this weekend. So yeah, y'all, I am about to probably go ahead and pull out my computer and start going over my door sign, start doing what I need to do for my door sign, and pull that Cricut out because it's time, okay? So yeah, that's probably what I'm gonna do. My hair's still looking good. Oh, y'all don't know, but I did my hair Easter weekend. I think I did it that Friday. No, yeah, that Friday of Easter weekend. I did my hair. I did not record it because I was trying to be outside with my kids, but so I kind of rushed through, but I love it. I will wear my hair like this all the time. But so yeah, this how I look. All right, y'all. So this is what I'm working on right now. I kind of like already drew my design. I got my iPad over here, but sorry. I drew the design and then I kind of mapped it out in my mind to know what I want to do. So yeah, I'm coming up with ideas as I go. So I just wanted to show y'all what I came up with so far. And I'm going to just scroll around and see what else I can do. Yeah, so it's the next day and I'm up here with my Cricut. I just took my Cricut out and now I'm about to try to get this stuff together so I can at least start on my door side. I finished most of it. The other day, but I'm trying to open this box. And they got some more of my stuff in here, so let me do that real quick. And then my Cricut's over there, and I got my laptop, so do that real quick. Let me get these scissors. Yeah, I'm a little hot. I drank some of that XXL wine. And that wine got me hot, okay? So
Let me take a moment to apologize for the way that I've been. Now I realize that you're my morning star. You're my everything. All of the worries and fears don't matter as long as I got you. Anxiety, fear, doubt, don't matter. As long as I got you, I know I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me, and I know I'll soar on wings like eagles if I wait on you. You're God from here to the end of your life. Still always the same, it's true. I know that I can always count on you. Every single moment that I think about what you have brought me through. All of the highs and the lows, I could hardly see my way. Now I see your light, it's guiding me right through. And I feel your power, it's pulling me through. No need for lamps or sun, your light is shining through. And all of the darkness is filling up this room. You're God from here to the end of your life. Still always the same, it's true. I know that I can always count on you. God said, let there be light in the darkness.
Hey y'all, so we are at Lowe's and I guess we're gonna plant some flowers. I don't really know too much about it, but we in here about to plant some flowers and stuff. Let me show y'all. We went to Lowe's for these. I think it look good. Look at it. It look good. So y'all, it's the next Saturday and I started on this door sign after we came from Lowe's, and I didn't show y'all the flower bed, but it did come out nice. I had to go ahead and start on this door sign because if I would not have started on it now, I would not have done it at all. But anyway, so I went ahead and primed the door sign with this primer. And I think I got all this stuff from Michael's. So I went ahead and primed it, and then I took a napkin and wiped the excess primer off, and then I let it dry. So this is how the door sign look when the primer is dry, y'all. And I went ahead and started taping off where I wanted the color. And I realized that I should have made this section a little wider, but it's okay. Next time I'll know what I need to do. And I could have tweaked it after I painted. And y'all gonna see me do that with the other line that I decided to add in the midst of me doing this door sign. So after I put all the painter's tape on, y'all, I went ahead and mixed the color. I mixed the green and a little white to make this light, pretty green, y'all. And that's what I was going for. So that's what I did. And I went ahead and added one coat of the paint to the door sign. And then I let that dry. But I got my blow dryer because I wanted to speed up the process. So I got my blow dryer, dried that. And after I dried it, I went ahead and added another coat. And then I went ahead and took the tape off after that last coat. And then I got the blow dryer and dried it so it can dry completely. So y'all, this is where I added another little line on the board just because I felt like it was very like blah at first. So I went ahead and sectioned off another section with the painter's tape, and then after I took the painter's tape off, I realized that this line was super narrow. Ended up getting the painter's tape and like putting it back on there so I can just make the line just a little bit wider, and that's what I did. And like I could have did that for the the top part, but I didn't want to do all that. So this is what I did, and I had my little fan on because it was hot in there, and so I was kind of drying it with my fan too. So after I let the paint dry, y'all, I went ahead and grabbed my stencils that I made and started to paint the words on, y'all. And I ain't gonna lie, y'all, I was super excited how this came out. I was super happy, especially after I did this first one. Like I said, this is my first one. So after I finished putting the paint in, I did notice like some paint kind of got on the inside of where it is supposed to get, and that's probably because I got to figure out a different technique. And don't worry, I'm trying to get a different technique. But y'all, after I finished painting, I didn't let it dry. I went ahead and took the stencil off and got my weeding tool and weeded the rest of the part that was supposed to come off. And y'all, look at that. In the air, innocent, touching on my leg, you ain't different. What we doing here ain't nobody's business. It's all sweet, but it tastes like cinnamon, but you won't say what's on your mind. Don't gotta say what you think I like, 'cause you're what I like, yeah. I could be wasting a day with you. It looked so good after I finished, y'all. I just stood back and I was like, yes. So yeah, y'all. I what I put on my door sign was God did it, and that's because my husband wanted that on the door. So I was like, give me something to put besides welcome, or he was like, put this, and I was like, you know what, I like that, and I went ahead when I was drawing it, I drew it as a regular like God did it with the regular T. But then when I thought about it, I was like, wait a minute, I could add a cross. So that's so that is what I end up doing, y'all, and I really love it. Now, even though like it was slanted, it was a little going uphill a little bit, but that's okay. Like I said, it's my door sign. It's going on my door, and I made it. I didn't have to pay for it. So in the midst of me painting the letters white, when I got ready to do the cross, I was like, I'm gonna do the cross brown. And I could have made it whereas it was the same color as the actual board, like the same stain color, but I thought of this at the last minute. So I was like, you know what? Brown and white would be cute. So that is what I did, y'all. And I really loved how this turned out. Like, one thing about me, when my creative juices get to flowing, baby, they flow. And I did not let my eye dry completely, so that's why most of that paint came off. But it was okay, y'all. We had white paint right there. So I just went ahead and did my little finishing touches on the eye and whatever else needed touched up. And yeah, y'all, I was so happy how this came out. And then I went ahead and let that dry. And I went in the house and made this ribbon. And I bought these little flowers from Walmart, I think. And I had the ribbon. I think I had this ribbon in my bag, or I bought it from Walmart. And I was supposed to add that green color ribbon to the ribbon that I made, but y'all, I forgot to buy one, and the color that I had was like a blue. So right here, y'all, I was just trying to see where I wanted to put the ribbon or what place that I needed to place it. But I did not let it stay like this. I went ahead and flipped it over and applied my Mod Podge. And I got this Mod Podge from Dollar Tree. I think I bought like 2 bottles, but I only used a little of the first bottle. So, and I put the Mod Podge all over it, and then I let it dry overnight because it was a little later, and I didn't really feel like waiting on this to dry and to hang it on my door. So I kind of left this out to dry until the next day. Yesterday I was working on my door sign, and I just wanted to show y'all how it turned out. I like it. It's super cute. I forgot to get a ribbon this color so I could put it up in here with this, but besides all that, it's really pretty. I like it. Let me stand it up so y'all can see. That is how it looks. It's super pretty. I like it. So yeah, I'm about to go hang it on my door. So this is how my door sign turned out, cute and simple. And if y'all have any tips or comments or questions, make sure y'all put them down in the comment section down below. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and definitely share. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye, y'all.